Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mark a no-show on Expedia Extranet. This is an essential task for property managers who need to update reservation statuses when guests fail to arrive, ensuring accurate records and proper billing procedures. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in with your credentials to access your Extranet account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your property bookings and reservations. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right toolbar and click on Trips. This is your central hub for viewing and managing all current and past reservations. Clicking this option will open up additional menu choices related to your bookings. From the Trips submenu that appears, click on Reservations or Manage Reservations. This section is specifically designed for viewing detailed information about all your property's bookings, and it's where you'll be able to modify reservation statuses. Now you need to locate the specific reservation that didn't show up. In the search bar, type in the reservation number, guest name, or check-in date associated with the no-show. This search function makes it quick and easy to find the exact booking you're looking for, especially if you manage multiple properties or have numerous reservations. Once the search results appear, click on the matching reservation to open its full details. This will take you to a comprehensive view of the booking, including guest information, dates, room type, and current status. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct reservation before proceeding. Next, look for the Update Status or Modify Itinerary button, which is typically located near the Guest Status section of the reservation details. Click on this button to access the options for changing the reservation status. This is the key step that allows you to officially record the no-show in the system. A drop-down menu will appear with various status options. From this list, select No-Show. This designation is important because it triggers the appropriate cancellation policies and potential charges associated with guests who don't arrive for their reservation. After selecting No-Show, click Save or Confirm Changes to finalize the update. If the system prompts you to add notes or additional information about the no-show, go ahead and include any relevant details. This documentation can be helpful for future reference or if there are any disputes about the reservation. Finally, verify that the status now shows no-show in the reservation details. It's a good idea to refresh the page to ensure the changes have been properly saved and are displaying correctly in the system. This confirmation step ensures that your records are accurate and that the no-show has been officially documented. And there you have it. You've successfully marked a no-show on Expedia Extranet, keeping your reservation records accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.